Hey Lexi, what are you doing?
Putting one more picture.
Putting your pictures up for your good behavior?
Yeah.
So, show us who's on your wall.
1, Jimmy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 pictures of what?
Jimmy.
Oh my goodness. How many pictures are you trying to get of Jimmy on your wall?
200.
200?
How much does Mommy get, and how much will I get? You guys, I'll share 3 for you guys.
Okay, say goodnight.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
I'll send this to Jimmy, okay?